Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hi, how are you? I am fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mr.Saeen and I am Saeen. So friends, we this Daman-e-Koh and this is monkeys. You see monkeys and this is Daman-e-Koh jungle monkeys and this is so I am so stuck. I was so stuck this monkey and this monkey's families, babies. You and another time coming for video this monkeys and friend this is monkey house in upper side and I am stuck in monkey and this so beautiful monkeys, so beautiful babies monkeys. I am so happy and fun. Monkey and people are stuck and this side in monkeys in this side family picture photo and full side in babies jungle so cute and I was give for a monkey in papad salanti and you enjoy eating and I am coming monkey in monkey me stock and monkey in fun and this monkey jump you see this monkey in house in tree and fun I see and family enjoy family fun in monkeys and another side in monkeys and this is place are very beautiful and enjoyed place and this is my brother Iman in friends and this place in monkey place monkey house monkey and this is real monkeys and big and strong monkeys for Daman-e-Koh and so enjoy and I was upper side going I stuck but I am going for upper side and families children are going upper side monkeys no stuck I am stuck and my brother stuck in monkey slanty in outside in earth and monkey fast hurry up in eating for papad and this monkey in so hardly and strong and this hamla attack in families but the children are enjoy I was so stuck but children are enjoy fun monkey in stick in this teacher in stick student this children are stick in monkey and so beautiful place in this and friends this place coming from um, full Pakistan dunya earth incoming coming for this place and so enjoy friends. Thank you for watching my complete video. Watch and like, share, comment and subscribe. Please my channel subscribe, okay? And like and friends see you tomorrow next video and Allah Hafiz.